Hello, what a wonderful day again for us to tidy up this GeoSearch, and we are supposed to be able to host the application after developing it. So I'm gonna simply gonna do npm install babel, and I'm actually installing babel core. So I'm gonna install this, and I want you to know that you have to install gulp and every other thing that you need in order for you to automate your tasks. And for that, you're gonna have a gulp file, and this is an example of a gulp file. You can see this is a gulp file that does several other things. So I'm gonna push it up to you so that you can use this gulp file to do stuffs. If you follow the lectures in Open Classroom, you will see how they taught us how to create gulp files. So this is a gulp file. This is the babel RC. I already taught this in my series. If you watch my series, you will see where I taught how to do this babel series babel stuff. So I'm gonna install babel core and every other thing, as well as the gulp file that you need, and I'm gonna push this code to the GitHub. So it's gonna give you an insight on how to finish and complete your project. This is actually where I'm gonna be rounding off for GeoSearch. I will leave you to do the rest. Look at the code very well and improve on it, and use the knowledge and the basis that I've already established on these to put yourself together and put your project together the right way. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Always give my videos thumbs up if you feel that they are good enough for you. I'll be very glad if you share my videos. For the people that are sharing, especially this foundation class, you guys are really doing good for me, sharing the videos and giving it thumbs up in social media and everywhere. So I really appreciate that. So my mentorship for you is going to continue even after this DevC training. If you have any questions and concerns, you can always get across to me. My phone numbers are everywhere on my YouTube channel. So the installation is done now. So I have a couple of other things that I want to install: run sequence, JSint, and babel, CLI, all of them. I want to install them as dev dependency. So I'm gonna say npm install -d. I want them as dev dependencies. So I'm gonna say -d, and I'll paste all of them. So I want to install all these babel preset and everything. I should have installed them before I did this, but because I want to just show you what I've done, that's why I'm taking them like this. I'm gonna push all this to GitHub now. So all these are installing, browser sync, and all the rest of the things that you need. Please, if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button immediately. If you have any questions and concerns, always drop them in the comment section. I'm gonna push this now, but I'm gonna show you how I did it, because the installation is gonna take quite a while. So I'm gonna cut off this, but you already know how to push to GitHub. Check my other videos and be able to do that. Thank you, and God bless you.